Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter your start menu isn't working, error message, then watch this video to find the solution. The first thing we need to do is restart the Windows Explorer. So we will go to Task Manager and we will look for the Windows Explorer file. Alright, we'll right click on it and then we will click on restart, and this error message should disappear when you try to click on the start menu. If it doesn't, then we'll run an SFE scan. We'll go to command prompt, look for command prompt. In the search bar, right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter and wait for the scan to run. Then try opening the start menu. If it still doesn't work, then we'll need to restart the computer in the clean boot configuration. For that, we will go to system, we will look for system configuration here, click on it and then click on services. And before we proceed, we need to compulsorily make sure that this hide all Microsoft services box is checked, because if you disable any Microsoft service and you restart the computer, then the computer will not be able to access the critical services and you will be stuck in a restart or a reboot loop. So once you do that, you can click on all the services which are not required, the third party services like the Google Updater and Adobe Acrobat, and you can click on disable all, click on apply, click on OK, and then click on restart, and your start menu should start working again. But if it doesn't, then the only other option left is to search for the problematic apps. So we will click on settings here, go to apps, click on installed apps, and then uninstall. You have to uninstall those apps which might have created a problem. Like if you downloaded an app maybe today or yesterday, and now this error is showing that your start menu is not working, then you need to download that particular uninstall that particular app. So right click on the three buttons and then click on uninstall and uninstall again, and then restart your computer and your start menu should start working again. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.